is Shawn Stoffer. I am with Chernoff Sales and we represent AJ Antunes in Florida. What I did today is a tropical croissant bread pudding. Got a banana sauce on top with toasted coconut. I'm doing that in the egg station. The reason why I did that is to show the versatility of the egg station. What's nice about this is I'm using the rings so they can make eggs in the morning and then have a dessert in the evening and utilize the machine for 2 meals. And the banana sauce I did in the jet steamer. The biggest challenge that it is when you go out to a restaurant, people want to have bread pudding to order, and you generally have to order that prior to you ordering your entree, because it takes about 30 to 40 minutes in a traditional convection oven. And what I wanted to do is show today that we can do this to order. Also is with incorporating the steam, this will hold in the moisture and enhance some of the flavors. Push that button, and a minute and 30 seconds we'll have this portion done. It's a 2-section sauce. So totally it takes about 3 minutes.
What's in here? Why is it?
What that is that steam, and the steam is activating the cornstarch to get that a thicker consistency for my sauce. What we're doing in kitchens today is we're building smaller and smaller kitchens. So we have to have smaller equipment. So you have to be able to cook multiple products on that piece of equipment. It's instant gratification when you serve a nice dish to somebody and they recognize it.